Hello my tribe and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. I am Mrs. G. If you like beauty, fashion, fitness for the everyday person, then please subscribe and join the tribe. So in today's video, I have a Fashionphile Preloved handbag unboxing. So if you're interested in what I just recently purchased from Fashionphile and you're interested in a Preloved luxury unboxing, please stay tuned. So hi and welcome back. So my birthday was last month, and apparently when it's your birthday, it's not just for that single day, it's for that entire month. So I was purchasing a few items. So if you don't know what Fashionphile is a reseller of pre-loved luxury items, specifically accessories, handbags, earrings, shoes, and so forth. So this is probably my 6th or 7th purchase from Fashionphile. So the Fashionphile box, and I'll actually link my other unboxing somewhere at top. So it comes with the traditional, box, and it'll have a dust bag. Now this bag is actually a Fashionphile file. Now this bag is actually from 2002. What was happening in 2002? So the most popular bags of the early 2000s, or the iconic bags, were like the Fendi Everything bag. They also had the Dior saddle bag, as well as the Juicy Couture velvet bag, for those who remember back in the days. Also Coach and their signature bags, as well as Balenciaga, the motorcycle bag. So those were the most popular bags in the early 2000s. So here is this particular bag came with just the Fashionphile dust bag, and so we're going to open it. Now, when I go to Fashionphile, I don't look for any specific item. There are certain brands that I love more than other brands, so I tend to just peruse the website. What I love about the Fashionphile website is that you can heart items, meaning select items that you really enjoy to keep in your little reminder section for yourself, and go back and visit to see if they're on sale. This particular time, nothing was on sale. What I do also like is that they seem to get new inventory like every day. They seem to get new inventory frequently. So let's open. Let's see what I got. So this is what I got. This is a jumbo classic flat Chanel handbag from 2002. And what I was looking for is I kind of wanted, because I don't have a patent Chanel handbag, or even I don't have a classic flat Chanel handbag, which I will link all of my unboxings at top. And I also don't have this kind of, they say it's a brown color, but to me this is kind of chestnut cognac color. And if you watch my previous videos, you know that I am obsessed with this chestnut color. So when I saw this bag originally, I was reluctant to purchase it, because with Chanel, the prices are going up even in the pre-loved market. And so I was reluctant, and someone else purchased it, but then I think someone else turned it. Now, one thing that I have noticed from buying pre-loved handbags from Fashionphile, as well as from Rebag, is that I noticed it, and am I the only one that noticed this? When people return items, and I know it was returned because I looked at the serial number from when I actually saved it in my love items and I looked at this one, and in the same identical bag with the same serial number. So one thing I noticed is that when people return items, they tend to mark it up, meaning that the first round And I've purchased items from Fashionphile, and then they give you like a grace period. Typically within 24 hours, you can kind of cancel it as long as they haven't shipped it out. And I recall canceling certain items, like certain handbags that I was just like, it's not for me, that I bought late night, in the night, browsing the website that I shouldn't have browsed and shouldn't have been looking at. And as soon as they restocked it, it would go up significantly. So the price had increased. So that was another thing. When it came back the second time around, I noticed that the price had increased, and I was like, but I could not stop thinking about it. So it's the chestnut, it's patent jumbo Chanel handbag with the CC turn lock. Of course, it's from the Karl Lagerfeld era. Now, it has it's only a single flap, so it doesn't have the double flap, and it has the zipper inside for your wallets. Now, it's always important for me whenever I buy any vintage bags or Chanel bags in particular, I have to have the authenticity card. Like, I refuse to buy any Chanel bag that doesn't have the authenticity card. That's just me, my personal preference, but you could do what you want. So it did come with the authenticity card. It has the back pocket, which most Chanels tend to come with, especially in this era. Now, it is made of, I think this is this is silver hardware. So this is a silver hardware. Now, it can be worn as a shoulder bag as well as a crossbody. I tend to gravitate towards the jumbo handbags, and the reason is that wearing it as a crossbody, it fits me perfectly. It fits me at below my waist. With the traditional classic flaps that are not jumbo, like the small, the medium, or the large, the chain strap is just not long enough for me. So I tend to, now I know whenever I purchase any Chanel handbags, especially pre-loved handbags, now the newer Chanel bags, the straps for the purse is actually longer, but the vintage bags, the older bags, they are not long enough. And I've realized that after purchasing multiple Chanel handbags. So I always have to get the jumbo one in order to get the length for the straps. The handbag, they stated that it was in very good condition. It is. The only con that I see, and let me see if I can find it for you, and I don't know if it was, I think it may have been made like this, I'm not sure. So if you can look closer, there's like no material in this loop, and I'm thinking maybe it was made like this. I'm not sure, but I don't know why that bothers me. It bothers me a little bit. I'm probably gonna keep it, but I'm still on the fence. And the reason that I guess I'm on the fence is because I do realize that the second time around it went up in price. And let me know if you've noticed that. Like, return something to, if you don't like something, you return it, go back to that same. They'll have it under another item number, but if you save it in your shopping cart or if you save it in your likes, you can actually compare and contrast of what you bought it. But I've seen this happen with Rebag. I've seen this happen with Fashionphile. And my only justification for that is maybe they're trying to get back the shipping cost, or because I know with Fashionphile, once you return, they return the entire your entire they don't take well, for me, they haven't taken a discount out of me returning items, and I've returned 2 bags thus far, and I actually kept I believe 4 bags thus far. But yeah, I noticed that once you return it, or once it's restocked, maybe it's a restocking fee, that it goes up in price. So let me know, how do you feel about this bag? Do you like present to myself? But then it's like, the price, Chanel, why? So if you like videos like this, please like, subscribe. I actually purchased another handbag, and it should be coming today. So if you like unboxings like this, I will keep it coming. And you're definitely gonna be surprised regarding the next handbag that I just purchased. As I said, I love handbags, so I will definitely purchase luxury handbags, but when it comes to other things, I'm a little bit more frugal, like my clothes. If you care about this top, I actually did another video for this. This is from Zara, so I will you'll see a video coming up. This is from Zara's as well. Got the natural hair out because it's springtime, even though it's like 40 something degrees in the tri-state area. Like, winter has a hold of us. Pray for us in the north, because spring just does not want to come through. With this, please like, subscribe, and join the tribe. Peace. I'm Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living, and we are out.